I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select GetResponse. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API token, please visit GetResponse API token. Click on Generate Key. Give the name of your key. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select Campaigns from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GetResponse. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now go to GetResponse. Navigate to the Bid Integrations list. Here is the data that came into GetResponse through the integration. Thanks for watching.